While our veggie stock is heating up, we're going to go and turn our front burner up to about 5. Place our pot on it, and we're going to measure out a tablespoon of oil. We're going to move it around so that it coats the bottom of the pan. And while we're waiting for that to cook, we're going to go ahead and chop 2 cloves of garlic. So we're going to cut off the ends. We're going to discard them so they don't get mixed up with the rest of our minced garlic. And cut along the side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and chop the other one. And then when they're done, I'm going to put them together, chop them one more time, and then we're going to add them to our pan with oil.